Dodgers, and it was a Bush play.
They're talking about now.
Brandon Belt to hitter. And it's 1 ball and no strikes.
Now he's the runner at third base. There's 2 outs. The ball's hit on the ground, and watch him. He doesn't move. He does not move. And that is something that really you should never see. 2 outs, you go down the line. Even if you're jogging, you want your momentum going down the line. If Belt bobbles that ball, he's not going to score.
Two and one down to Belt.
And that is a play that needs to be addressed.
Now 2-2. Well, respect the game. Number one. It's not that complicated. You're at third base. There's a ground ball, run.
Yeah, simple as that.
It's not a whole big thought process that would go into it.
You don't need talent to hustle. Respect the game, respect the people that played before you, and respect the people that bought a ticket to watch you play.
Now, Yasiel Puig, just an incredible amount of talent, but still young and apparently still very immature.
Well, they brought him up here early, and a lot of those lessons, that's stuff you should learn in Little League.